Okay.
So everyone, you might know me from I'm J-Dog from, the YouTube channel J-Dog. Go check it out. It's a good channel, right, Boost?
Yeah. Very good channel.
Anyway, I know this is on Booster's channel. I'm proud to be on it.
But we're gonna play multiplayer on Fruit Ninja. It still has the Halloween update on it for some reason, despite the time we're actually playing this.
Yeah. So, this is a thing that
I want me to play the Halloween bit.
No, I think this is something that
my rank is 4.
Okay, well, dude, I think this is something that everybody wants to see. Like,
really? Sure?
Yeah, like us fight.
Sure? I like mini games actually, but I'm not gonna play them.
You click minigames. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I mean multiplayer. Okay, Zen Duel or Classic Attack?
Let's
do Zen Duel.
Zen Duel. Oh man.
Look at my side. My side's the
man. So who do you guys think is gonna win, Booster or J-Dog?
Booster.
Tell us in the comments.
Look, I'm already at 17. You're at 15.
So, check out my channel. It's really cool, It's not a bad channel, actually. It's pretty good, actually. So, it's not that bad. I mean, once you get used to it.
Look at my side, though. 4 fingers.
It's not all that you see here. I mean, sure, this channel is okay, but I just think I have a better channel.
Oh my gosh, this is so crazy.
Oh man, I'm not trying to use like all fingers. Oh my gosh, this is like so hard.
Pinky.
Okay.
It's so hard. After this, I dare you to do
Okay, guys. Okay, we're just gonna like keep on going. Man, this is hard. I'm going hard. I'm going back and forth. This is hard. Hopefully I can win.
Man,
look what you do.
I didn't do it.
Oh man, I missed that fruit because of you.
No.
So let's see who wins.
Ooh, a few seconds left. Come on,
Yes. Okay. Time's up.
Time up.
Did you see that? I got one left.
Ooh, I won. Look, I won right here. You lost. You have 0 wins and I have 5 wins and 0 losses.
Okay.
Let's do Classic Attack now. Oh, this one where you're supposed to dodge the bombs.
Oh man.
We're not even. You don't have to get all kinds, J-Dog.
Oh man, what was that thing? It was like a super bomb. Oh, I did something. Boy! Dude,
I had a bomb.
Dude, mine was.
Oh no!
Hey, I won.
I have one final ball. I finally have one.
Oh! What is that thing? Hey!
Bad luck. What? How do you win twice? You know what?
Oh!
Okay, that'll be it.
Guys,
That'll be it for this. Now let's do some mini games.
Yeah, Booster parkour mini games.
It's not even parkour. Cherry bomb. Nah, I'm not gonna watch any videos. My gosh.
So is this like training?
No, it's mini games. Look at my finger thing though. I hit a bomb.
OMG, he hit a bomb, everybody. Sorry, Booster's a little sick.
Yeah. Swarm. I don't remember this one. No, I need the thing to tell me what to do. I forgot this one. I don't know what you're supposed to do here.
Yeah. It was kind of sad to start off this video.
Yeah. But, J-Dog, you just tell them about your channel.
Check out my channel. A lot of Minecraft videos. None of this stuff that Booster does, but I have to admit, Booster has better quality.
No, I don't. It's just because I'm recording off of my computer.
Yeah, but yeah, so I have like 10 subscribers, and if you guys ever want to see more Booster, Booster does appear on my channel too. It's not just all about me.
Yeah, I appeared on your channel several times, like in that one video, and I also had my own video on your channel, the birthday world, where I was the main guy, and then we also had all the even numbered J-Dog and Friends videos.
Oh yeah, in some of the J-Dog and Friends.
Oh please.
And I'm pretty sure we're gonna look forward to the Booster Star Wars Theory series.
On my channel. On my channel.
No, man.
No, it's on my channel. Sorry,
What?
J-Dog.
Hey, I appear in it though.
Yeah, so.
So if I appear on it, then it should be on my channel, except for this, because I don't do gaming like this.
No, I do gaming like this.
Wow.
Oh, game over. Man, I didn't reach my best. I continue. No videos.
FYI, Boosters are nerd.
Yeah, Boosters are nerd. Okay, jungle. No, I don't want no videos. Look at my thing though.
Whoa, that's cool.
Yeah. I can hit this. Oh no! Ding. Ding, my high score is 682.
Is anyone else pumped?
For what? Rogue One?
Yeah, a little. But
hey, tell me in the comments if you're interested in Star Wars only. But if you want a Kenobi, an Obi-Wan Kenobi film with Ewan McGregor and everything, yeah, that'd be pretty cool. I think it would, but J-Dog doesn't think it'd be cool. And Darth Maul is a villain. Like, what are you thinking, J-Dog? What
I don't think it'd be a good one. I don't like it.
Why not?
I don't think it's a good film.
Why?
Because
game over there.
Hey, the next time you need a president, just vote me.
Yeah.
J-Dog over here.
J-Dog 20...
I don't know.
2020. Fortune. No.
Just don't say the date.
2020?
Oh, man.
This date isn't 2020. It's...
What? That's crazy.
You can look near the description in the video. Tells you when this video is uploaded.
But, is anyone excited about Assassin's Creed?
Oh, yeah. I know for sure our cousin is.
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
If you want, you can go check out his channel.
You almost said her.
The name is Cyril Linares, by the way.
Just go on J-Dog subscriptions.
Yeah.
You know what's messed up? J-Dog's friends on YouTube, they just always, they look at who J-Dog subscribed to and they subscribe to them. I think it's just messed up.
Actually, it's kind of cool. I mean, they're giving them more subscribers, but...
Cough.
Guys,
no!
Anyway, what is going to be going up on my channel, which is also going to have Booster in it, is YouTuber versus YouTuber.
Oh, wait. Hey, are we able today?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, well, this will make a great second video. Dang. Can't wait to have my 100, my 50 video special thing. I think that's
guys, on my channel, I recently hit 50 videos.
Like a while ago. So, and you also have like 15 subscribers already?
Yeah, and guys, I was looking back on my YouTube channel, and my cousin was over watching it, and he said, "What's that giant turd-looking thing?" And I said, "For one, it's not a turd, it's a turkey." If you guys like to go see that video, it's still on the air. It's the newest video by me, anyway. Do considering subscribing to me, because, yeah.
Like, why would you subscribe to me? I'm just a nerd who wants subscribers. Just kidding.
Well, guys, I will confession now. I will do a 15 subscriber celebration and 20 subscriber celebration.
Maybe you should just do 50 and 20 all at the same time, dude. You know.
But then that's when the subscriber celebration videos are gonna end.
What, at 20?
Yeah.
I mean, our cousin says that you can only have a milestone at 1K. So are you actually gonna wait that long, Tito?
No.
I'm like, who would wait until 1K? Would any of you wait until 1K to have a celebration video? I mean, seriously. Thing. That. And this is causing me golden apples, sadly. Classic. Forgot how to do classic. No, the videos. Dang, this is just the classic. The boringest version of this there is. So, I'm not really sure what the title of this video is.
Guys, what's going on is, that my new sound is really pretty good.
Oh, I get X's whenever they fall. Oh.
That's kind of mean.
Yeah, it is kind of. Oh my gosh. How can Sensei even keep up with all my scores and stuff?
Hey, guys, if you can hear us, because, I mean, I hope you guys can.
You're doing it.
Oh.
Yeah, we just gotta, just like slice fruit. That's
I have to
called
slice
Fruit Ninja.
I have to slice fruit, and if it falls, then I get an X, and after I get 3 X's, then I have to restart. And I also have to dodge the bombs.
The people who are watching this and don't know. And for that. We don't let that one go.
It was a bomb. Why wouldn't I let it go? So, like, you give this to someone really young, and then they're like, okay, so you're supposed to hit everything, and don't let anything fall. And they actually hit the bombs, and they die, and they fail. So bad.
That would just imagine if you were that
Oh,
one. What is that?
I don't know. Ooh, 24. Man, I want to beat my high score of 125.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been playing this game for a while. Oh, I couldn't get it because of those. No.
This is the first time that Bruce has ever featured it on his channel.
And this is the first time I actually hit a bomb.
On that level.
Your high score, you got 129.
Yeah.
Huh?
You beat your high score, you got 129.
Right here?
No.
Oh, this is my ranking. Connect with Half Brick to see your friends' scores. I don't have any friends on Half Brick.
Guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video.
I'm not sure how long it was.
Yeah. So guys, like I said, don't forget to go and check out my channel, subscribe.